Hey everyone, welcome to Floppy Digital. So we have a guest, Edwin, and today we're talking about something I've heard is that kind of wild. You're telling me GoHighLevel just dropped this new feature, right? Rentals? I barely even know what it is. Can you break it down for me? GoHighLevel just rolled out this new rental management and booking system, and honestly, oh my God, it's super amazing. Like if you're running vacation homes, cars, bikes, even event gear, this thing is gonna change your life, seriously. Wait, so this isn't just like normal scheduling? Like calendars and appointments? Regular GHL calendars, they're for appointments, 30, 60 minutes dagger, boom, done. But this is for actual stuff you rent out. So you can do hourly, daily, weekly, even monthly bookings. And the magic? Inventory. It literally tracks how many items you have, stops double bookings, handles deposits, tiered pricing, everything. Okay, wait, slow down. So it tracks inventory? Like how many of what you have? Imagine you have 5 bikes and 3 scooters. The system knows exactly what's available, when, and even lets customers pick multiple items in one booking.
Oh, wow, that's sick. What about pricing? Can you adjust it?
You can give them a special rate. You want weekend pricing? Done. Multi-item bundles? Done. It's like a full-blown e-commerce for rentals. Okay, I see why you're hyped now. So who is this really for? If you're renting out anything that's not just a short appointment, this system is built for you. And the best part, you can do everything inside GHL. Payments, invoices, and bookings like a full rental business without needing 5 different tools. Give me a real life example. I want to picture this. All right, picture this. You run a vacation rental agency. You've got 3 apartments and 5 beach houses. Someone books a week at one of your beach houses. Another person wants a long weekend at an apartment. The system automatically updates availability, handles the deposit, sends invoices, adds reminders. You barely touch it. It's in public beta now, so yeah, it's still evolving, but you just enable it in your GHL sub account. Thank you so much for watching. Go check it out, and trust me, this one's a game changer. Book a call with link on bio. Bye.